Hey, what's up, Gage Majors? Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be opening up a Pokemon pack. Yeah. So I'm going to start opening it. Once I'm done opening it, I will play the video. We have the Pokemon pack opened, so let's get to it. So, yep. Let's see what we get. It takes me a while to open these, okay? Don't judge. We have a Energy, a Durant, Palossand, China Elena, oh god, Sandgast, Roly, Swanky, Clefairy, Voltorb, Lampert, and for the rare, Toxtricity. Pretty nice. I have indeed better. I got an Umbreon VMAX, which is $44, and I am still happy about that. So, I hope you guys had fun watching this video. No, it's only 2 minutes and 14 seconds long. Well, I just see the top right there. But please like and subscribe because I need more support on my videos. And adieu, bye, Gagenators.